As soon as my flue gas measuring instrument is connected and all relevant settings have been made, I can control the flue gas measurement via the Start button. I can display the measurement values either as a table or as a chart. In the tabular view, the same measurement parameters are displayed as in the measuring instrument. If I would like to show more measurement parameters in the tabular view, I have to adapt the measurement value display directly in the measuring instrument. Additional information such as the serial number of the instrument are displayed in the middle section of the table. To switch over to the chart, touch the Chart button. The measurement values can be stored on the SD card of the smartphone or tablet during the measurement as well as after the measurement is ended. The measurement values can optionally also be sent as an email. I return to the previous measurement values and stop the measurement. By touching Print, I can print out the measurement data on the Testo Bluetooth printer. The setup of the Bluetooth connection to the printer is the same as that of the measuring instrument.